So when everything's crashing around you, when everything's going to hell in a handbasket, shit's hitting the fan, that's when you put your nose to the grindstone. That's when you actually focus in harder and you work harder and get the job done. Because that is when success is born. In recessions and depressions, that's when more millionaires are made than any time in history. So every time there's a recession, more millionaires are created. So if you want to start really living the life of success and abundance and having the wherewithal to go anywhere you want to have what you want to have, and enjoy your family like you want to enjoy your family, now is the time to buckle down. Now is the time to get things going and motivate yourself and just go on. There is no such as a thing as a crash during a crash. The only thing that's crashing is maybe your willpower. And if that is, then there is no success. But otherwise, keep going.